Hello, Victor here, StoryMercedes.com. This is a quick video for Anthony, local customer. Okay, SRS situation, Anthony. So as we see, we have belt buckle on the passenger and belt buckle on the driver. F means fail. It's supposed to be either on or off, so we have fail. Now this is what I'll do. Somebody was back here before me. You can tell because down under I gotta pull the seat out to get to these wires, but as you can see, this is all like messed up. This is not factory, obviously, because you see the electrical tape, the wires are loose, the zip tie is like, yeah, so somebody was there. I don't know for what reason. There was another clip broken down under there too, but it doesn't matter. That doesn't make any noises. But what I want to show you is what I'm going to do is I'm going to wiggle those wires there, and we're going to see a change in readout. As you can see here, some of these wires are broken somewhere that I have to find out where exactly. As you can see, I'm moving them, and reading comes back on and off, on and off. So this is very annoying because you will get SRS light on, off, as you can see. That's why the light would come on and off out of the blue. And I think the problem is in the junction here, because I'm moving the junction now. You can't see it. Well, just moving the junction there, right there, the wires, and readings change. Give me a second. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, but obviously I have to find out which wire is bad, but for that I need to pull the seat out. So that's what I'm gonna do next, because the light will keep coming back. I cleared it. There is no code for the sensor in the seat. That's good news, but there is a code here for, yeah, these wires here are bad. So I'm moving it back and forth, get connection, and I lose connection. So that's it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Once connection is established, then on off works. Actually, let me show you that. Clean hand. Just plug in the seatbelt buckle. Because seatbelt buckle was not in, we had it in off. Plug the seat buckle in. Okay, it's on. Its seat buckle is in. Move the wires, and it's on. As you can see, seat buckle itself is good. It's just these wires somewhere twisted and broken. So hopefully they're not broken in the floor somewhere. But for that, first seat has to come out. All right, just wanted to make you this quick video just so you see what I'm going to be doing next. And yeah, I'll give you a call, I guess, to explain the situation. Then you can see the video. Alright, so this is all for me for now. Victor here, StoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.